Hi Kelsey, this is the tutorial or walkthrough for RealLab creating a project or post. I'm just going to walk you through this so that you can kind of see the order on which I would present the information on adding items in. There's a current bug on here right now where you can't actually embed video, so I'm just going to have that one pretty much not showing that until Hyun gets that fixed. But hopefully by the time you're going to be recording, you won't need to do that. So, and it'll be working fine, so you can just add in a video. But for the purpose of this, you would start on this page, which is the person's profile page, and they would basically, first thing they would want to do is click on Add a Project. When they first log in, they won't see any of that, so you probably want to just tell them where to go first, and that's pretty much the first thing that people would probably click anyways. And then you're going to want to have them enter a title here as the first thing. So please enter a title. Okay. And then the next thing you want to have them do is add a background photo. So let me go look for a photo that we can use. Let's see. Okay, so now a background photo has been inserted. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a text block. So you're going to basically go ahead and let people know that to add content to their project, they're going to be using this gray bar area here. Now you can first decide to add a text block like this. And it'll show up down here, and you can show them how to enter text. And then you can even add it, you can hold it, and then you can save it. And then, oh, sorry, that spacing is a little weird. Okay, and then we can go ahead, and you'll notice we added something new. As when you scroll, this bar is going to be sticky to the navigation so that it's always going to remain on top. So even if you were to scroll down even more, it will still be up there. And then let's add another image. So let's use this one. And then we can add in one more text block. Then we're going to just select the categories that this is going to fall under. So let's put this one as a fantasy. And then the last thing we would tell, after everybody's complete with uploading their work, you would simply have them click on this. And this is pretty much to publish it so that it is live on the website. And you can describe to them, you know, they can toggle it on, they can toggle it off. But this will basically show it published on the RealLab homepage. And then that's it. They're done. And they can just go to their profile, and that project has been added here. So it says please enter a title here. And then on the RealLab homepage, you can see you know, where it is. So here's the new project that was added by Kevin. And you just walk them through that process on creating a project. The video should take like, you know, about a minute tops, but the main things you want to show are, you know, add in a background, add in a title, add in text blocks, add in a photo, add in a video, and then at the very end, you know, to publish it, so that when they're ready, they can publish it. Everything, and you can also mention that everything saves automatically, so that they can just click out and go back to a project, and it'll be at the last state that it was in. So it's pretty simple to do. If you have any questions, Kelsey, just reach out to me, and then we can go from there. Okay? All right. I hope this helps. Thanks.